Alright guys, ZGRG here. Just a quick little review of this product here. Bezel-free kit for your triple monitors. So I'm gonna open it up, see what's inside, and put them on. Okay. Alright, you got your instructions here. How to install it and stuff. And then you have two cutouts for your angles for your monitors, 125 and 135. Effective angles are 100 to 170. Then back here we do have the rods. Let me get 4 of them. Also 4 clips that hold the bezel that do connect to your rods back here. 2 screws or nuts for the rods, and then you got your bezel-free kit. You get 2 of them inside. Yep. So alright, well, let's put it. Okay, see, they have it labeled which side goes out and which one in, so that's pretty cool. Okay, well, let's put these on the rig and see how they look, if they were a waste of money or not. Actually these were $84. So also I did purchase these. Nobody has nothing to do with it, anything of me saying anything about these. Alright, before I do put these together, so there are two, both of these like they're different. So you got tops and bottoms for these here. Also for the clips, there should be tops and bottoms. Like these would be the tops because they don't have a pass-through hole. The hole just ends there. So these tops will be going in here, and then the bottoms will be going directly into this, which I'm gonna put on right now, and you will see that. Okay, so I got these opened up, and here you got the top. This is the bottom. So it's just simply just screw them together like this. And these rods are actually aluminum by the feel of them, very sturdy. So the top here, you just screw that in there. There it is. Then put the bottom just like that on there, and of course the washer, or actually this is not a washer, this is a bolt or a nut which screws by hand, and it goes very smoothly. So there it is, and this is how you will adjust it. So you can adjust it pretty much to about a 12-inch here, all the way up to 20 or 18 inches or something like that. Pretty cool. Let's put them together and then put them on the rig. Okay, you're about to see how this is. Watch. That's how easily it goes up and down. Okay, there it is. Both of them put on. And then the bezel kit will be going last. Okay, so let's put these on and see what they look like. here. I'll put that there. Tighten it up a bit so it gets close. Oh, these actually do have some rubber padding there, or actually not rubber, but it's just a foam padding for your monitors. I'm gonna show you that really quick here. So here, these they're foam right there, so it's gonna sit on your monitor. It's not gonna rattle or anything. And I did turn this one upside down, which I will have to take off. So let's do that really quick and put it back on. Okay, let's put the second one on here. And there we go. At the bottom, tighten it up. Just a little bit, not too much. Okay, here it is. Okay, so for here, you do have these clips here that you just pull back, because that's what's gonna hold your bezel. Let's do this one as well. Oh. All right, so we got the bezel here. There they are, and they do actually come with these things here that you're supposed to peel off. Guess on both sides. Yeah. So let's put them on and see what it looks like. So that's what it looks like right now, and let's see what it looks like after. Okay, so that's what it looks like with that on. But actually, let's put a vehicle in and see what it looks like after that. Okay, so this is what it looks like inside with the bezel kit. I still need to adjust my monitors a bit here so they don't show that little line, especially this one on the left here. Needs to come together a little bit better. But yeah, that's it. That's what it looks like. So I'm gonna play a little bit around and adjust some things, and hopefully it's gets a little bit better than what it is right now. But I can live with it. Okay, so with a little bit of an adjustment, that is what it looks like right now with the bezel-free kit. I'm gonna adjust a little bit more, maybe my monitors, so they will look a little bit better probably. But right now I'm pretty happy with those. They're not the greatest, but they're better than without anything on.